Stop chasing 9-to-5 dreams. This AI side hustle is making teenagers $3,000 a month in the USA, and nobody in India is talking about it yet. It's called Faceless Cinematic Shorts. You don't need a camera, you don't need a laptop, and you definitely don't need to show your face. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to write a 1-minute scary space fact or future history story. Step 2. Use Pexels, for free, to find 4K cinematic clips that match the story. Step 3. Use an AI voice like Adam from 11 Labs. It sounds so real, your viewers won't even know it's a robot. This premium feel is why USA audiences love these videos. I'm showing you the exact tools to use for free in my next video. Don't be late to the 2026 wealth wave. Hit that subscribe button now. Add bold yellow word-by-word captions in the center of the screen. Use cinematic, high-quality tech and business stock footage. Avoid cheesy cartoons.